What is going on, guys? We are back with another unboxing, and today we are unboxing the 1/18 scale Arrma Mojave Grom. This little truck right here promises to be big and fun, small in size, so let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and start opening this thing. Let's just get right into it here. Put the tape on the bottom. Oh yeah, that's the one. That's the one you want. That's a good looking truck. Alright, well, there you go. So this is a good looking truck, real good short course truck. A lot of this actually has a clipless body. So push the buttons on the side, boom, opens. Comes with a 1400 milliamp Spectrum 2S battery, 30C. Also comes with a USB charger as well. Oil filled shocks, plastic axles, but the differential gears are metal, so they're should be pretty strong. All right, let's get everything else out. See what you got. All right, so everything unboxed. There's actually the clipless system there. Button on either side. Look at the chassis again, the battery. This is a IC2 connector, so you're gonna have to continue to use the supplied USB charger or get a adapter if you want to use your Spectrum charger for it. Comes with a Spectrum SLT2 controller, nice little controller. Feels good, and actually give you batteries for a controller. How about that? There's your charger. Your preload spacers, a little tool there, of course the manual. Alright, so that is it. So now the only thing left to do is charge the battery, take it out for a bash, speed test it, because we speed test everything here. Alright, so let's go do that. Alright guys, out here driving this thing around. This thing is a blast. Pretty quick, very responsive. Let's get the GPS put on it and see what kind of speed we get out of this thing. It has a brushed motor, so probably not going to be anything any crazy, but yeah, we'll see. Record. Alrighty, zero it out, let's go. That's probably close to 20. Nope, zero, because it didn't record. Alright. Stop. Record. Alright, do it again. Now, it did take this thing about 50 minutes to charge. So, still didn't record. Alright. So I do recommend buying a IS2 to IS3 adapter. Spectrum makes them, so you can use your Spectrum charger. Imagine it'll charge a little quicker. But yeah, overall not too bad. This thing is fun though. Oh, there we go. There we go. 22 miles per hour. Little Grom, 22. It's pretty quick, actually. A little quicker than I would have thought it would have been. Alright, got the Grom out here where I think it's going to be even more fun to drive. That clipless body is awesome. But out here, a little dirt. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing's fun. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, we crashed it. It loves it. This little thing's a beast. Oh yeah, guys, you gotta get one of these. Couldn't leave the ball field until we stopped by the skate park, so splashed around here for a little bit. Not quite what I had in mind. It just takes it. Oh yeah, this thing is so much fun. All right, see if I can land it this time. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, guys, you got to get yourself one of these for sure, for sure. It just takes it. Look at that. All right, guys, so there you have it, the Mojave Grom. I'll tell you what, Arrma really knocked it out of the park with this truck. This thing drives so nice. It's plenty quick, handles the dirt real well, handled the skate park really well. I was pretty surprised at how well it landed those jumps. I'm happy with it. I might actually have to look into getting the Typhon Grom now. This truck was a lot of fun. $150, charger, battery included. Small, pack it up, take it anywhere. Doesn't take up a lot of room. That's a big plus. Yeah, I highly recommend you getting one of these. They're just a lot of fun. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one.